Here is a Cash Drama review. Cash Drama is not actually available on iOS and is only available on Android. But usually, Android users are actually downloading this through an APK because sometimes it is not available on the Google Play Store. So if you're going to download the Cash Drama, you can go to Softonic or softonic.com and you'll be able to download the APK of the Cash Drama. The only thing here that it is improves more work or it requires more work for you to be able to download this because there are other apps that you can watch drama with or there are other websites that you can use drama with. So this is not actually good for you to be able to watch more drama because it needs more work for you to be able to download this kind of app because you can't download this easily on the Google Play Store. So if you're looking for a drama website where you can watch drama, then you can go ahead and search for a new website because Cash Drama needs APK.